BFL facility sitting on 10 acres of land at 706 25th Ave, Nisku. Basically, procedure is material shows up through our shipping receiving gate on the southeast side. We have several laydown areas for different structural steel and mechanical process piping. We'll walk through the process piping division first. So material comes in, gets received for anything cutting or needs to be processed. Laid on the rack here, it gets brought into the cut shack area at the south end of our facility. Comes into the main area where we have a programmable burn-in cutting machine that is capable of doing 48-inch diameter pipe, stainless steel and/or carbon. So it gets processed through the cut area. Programmable burn-in machine does all the cutting, and then it gets pushed through into our fitting area. But basically everything's recorded with heat numbers, diameter pipe, and PO numbers and control numbers. It gets brought off the table, brought over here for processing. And as it's fit, we have several different fitting tables that are in the process right now. We have the capability of doing up to 10 to 12 spinners in this area. We've done upwards of 62-inch pipe, all the way down to half-inch pipe. So a lot of our work is with regards to oil and gas industry, Stuart Olson, MRO group, as well as clients. So fitting area, then it's brought down here to the welding area. In this area down here, we also have a Novark spool welding robot that is capable of doing several diameter of pipes. It has 3 spinners automatically attached to it that are programmed based on spin rate and recipes that are programmed into the SWR. We can do, I do believe, up to 48-inch diameter pipe on this as well. And then all the way down to small bore pipe. Then it proceeds, we've got 4 overhead cranes, 4 10-ton overhead cranes on this side of the facility. Once it's been welded, it comes from fitting area, welding station, and then out to the north side of our shop for either storage and/or shipping. Typically, the SWR can do about 300 inches of diameter piping a day. As well, we're capable of probably putting out up to 1,000 inches a day based on how many welders we have operating at the facility. As we move down to the structural side, we have a plasma table cutter that is capable of doing 5-foot by 20-foot lengths of plate and up to 3 inches thick. The process for the structural steel is much like the mechanical process piping. It comes in from the south side of the facility. It gets processed in our cut shack area, which is right in here. Cut the lengths, all heat numbers are traced, transferred to the material, then it processes from the south side all the way into the middle of the shop. Then we have our fitting tables, our welding area, and once everything's been checked and QA/QC'd, it gets to the north end of our shop where it gets processed again out